Hello friends, in this video I will try to solve the week 5 of Excel skill for business advance. So basically in the 5th week we need to solve the video related to the advanced lookup, and looking at the question, I think the video going to be longest. Yeah, it will take time. So okay, so videos assessment having two parts, part 1 and part first. Okay, so in the part 1, our basic task is to deal with the offset function or indirect or index match, whatever is. Okay, so it is specifying everything where what we have to use. Look, as comparison to other week, this exercise is relatively hard, what I feel. I mean tougher than other. So let's do. In the first question, they are just asking to give the positions of that selected month. What will be the position? Okay, so here March is selected and the position will showing is 3, so it's correct. And for the second, they are asking us to show the position of the currency, means the selected currency. So it's a simple, we can use match function for this. If you want, you can use other function. And then they are asking you to use the address function. It's you need to select the row number, then the column number. Okay, so now they're asking if you have done correctly, then the address should be written as K13 in the cell L11. Okay, and for that you will need to select the December and SGD. So they are asking about to select the December, and in the year you select 2015, then December, and then SGD. Perfect, we are getting everything. And now they are asking us to represent the value by using 3 different functions. And for the first, we need to use the indirect and address both simultaneously, so we can get the answer. So the requirement of the question is like we get the same value for these three functions. And friends, to be very honest, I did my best what I know, but I couldn't get the exact answer what I was getting for the first. And now I was looking for the answer, so I make it possible to get the answer. And somehow, so I just copy the formula with in the try column, which is not right, but for getting answer we need to do this. Only then you will get the right answer, and that will help you to achieve your certificate. Just select the criteria they are asking. So they are looking for the March, CAD, and S20. Okay, so that will value will be here. So this will be your first answer. And for the second, I will let you know the reason why I skipped so much, because the timing of video was beyond the limit, and I don't want that to stress this video, so I skip that part. Now here I will show you the answer what they are asking according to that, because doing all these takes me a lot of time. It was not possible me to conclude in the video. Okay, they are asking J20 AUD in 3235. Okay, so the first. And then they are asking you to J20 EUR. And then J20 JYP. You just keep watch to the checksum, that will be your answer exactly. And sorry, I skip all these formulas because it was not possible for me to keep it in the video, because the video has already stretched and I don't want that, so somehow cut. If you're watching this, please don't forget to subscribe us, it will boost my morale too. I'm gonna upload more videos related to the Excel, that will other advanced courses, and I will also let you know the many courses which you can access free from other sites. So now we'll proceed to the part 2. So basically in the part 2, what we need is to arrange everything. That is the that is they want from us. I already read or go through these questions so I can understand, and no need to read this question. Okay, so the main task is to arrange everything. We'll take the helper cell. And the first you need to write the count function. It will count the exact number of data we have. And now the question asks us to display the data. Greatest to smaller, so we just doing that only. And now for the date we need to write the small function because they want us to write the they want us to get the date smallest to greater. So use is small. And remember one thing, whenever we write or we want to display the numerical value or other data in any chronological order, so we need to write the two formulas simultaneously, small and rows, or you can do the same for the large and rows. So it will give you the result ascending or in descending order, whatever you want. And don't forget to freeze this value because it's needed. If you will not do, you will get different answer. So you can see now we are getting date smaller to greater. It's 22nd Jan and 23rd and so on. Now the next task is to get the value of price and volume, and that will be in the front of these date, means in the column B. So for this we're going to use the index match function because we want to display the value which is next to the 22nd Jan in the column C. Select the array. As I mentioned, don't forget to freeze the value, otherwise you will get the different answer. Great. So for the volume, you can write the formula again if you want, or you can copy the formula. You just need to change one thing. You just need to make the 2 to 3. Just a small changes, like in the price we have write column 2 for the price, and now here we volume, for the volume we need to write 3. Just change that and you will get the answer, or you can write the formula if you want again, but I will recommend you to use the formula again. It will make you to learn. And for the next, we need to use the take the helper. We can use index match again. Oh, okay. Here we will use helper start and helper end cell. So do you have any idea what we are getting here? So we are getting here how many days or it will take to end that month. Like you can see the Jan first, second, fourth, seven, eight. So how many Jans count are here? It will show in the helper end cell, first to 21st. Just double click, you will automatically get the formula applied to every cell. Now the main task right here, sum of price. Now the question asks us to find the sum of price, what or which price which is in the January itself. So we need to count the price for the January month itself. Now you can see that what we get is the sum of the price for the January month itself. Now for the Feb we need to write again, because we need to subtract the first month, and that's why we are writing the formula again for the February. And why I'm using this minus symbol, because I don't want uh, the price which has already counted in the January month. So by using this we will easily eliminate the sum of the price of the January month, and this will be follow in the upcoming. So, and now you can drag the formula, and now we need average for the January month and average for the Feb simultaneously. Go. Now we will write the formula for the cell Q. This time we want the average of volume. So again, the first task is to make the sum of those volume. Okay, what we have done with the price we need to do with volume, and then only we'll get the average. That means we need to write the both formula in the same cell. You must be thinking why I'm writing these formulas again and again, but it is need actually. So you can see we're done with the formulas, and now now we'll write the formula for last two questions. It's quite easy. We just need to use the basic function. In the first, they're asking for the highest average volume, so we'll use max. With the max we'll get answer. And now for that, they are asking in which month that the highest average volume is occurring. And for the second, we will use large function. But for the getting answer, if you want to get the answer, you just need to change the format of the cell. You just select the cell, so first we need to change the format of the cell, otherwise we'll not get the answer. First let me show in which cell we are getting these answer. So you can see that the number we get that comes in the month of April 2013. So you can use the index match. Or you can manually figure out the value. If the data is at large level, definitely then you will need to use the index match. But from here we can directly manually identify the value. So I'm going by this. And now look, like I'm showing you example, we don't want date like this, so we need to change the format of the cell. Just put MMMM dash YYYY, month and year. We don't have that option, so we will use custom. So this is how you will get the answer. And please don't forget to subscribe us. It will help us to upload the more videos. If we'll get response, definitely we'll do our best. Thank you.